Did you know Wise Agent provides a ton of quality marketing content right at your fingertips? One of the easiest ways to keep in touch with your clients on a regular basis is to take advantage of our monthly newsletter feature. Every month, Wise Agent uploads a new monthly newsletter ready to send or easy to customize however you like. Our professionally curated newsletters create real estate-related articles, delicious recipes, and seasonal content that keeps you readers engaged all year long. Let's take a look at how to get started. Once you're logged into your Wise Agent account, navigate to Marketing drop-down menu and select Content Library. Here, you'll have access to a variety of templates to create and customize your monthly newsletter. Click on the Create Content button and select Email/Letter Content. Once you've opened a new design, head to the Stock Content button on the top right corner and select Wise Agent Newsletter tab. From here, you can choose between English, Spanish, and Canadian versions of your monthly newsletter. Once selected, the newsletter content will instantly load into the editor. As you can see, Wise Agent automatically pulls your agent headshot, contact information, and logo from your account profile to keep your newsletter true to your brand. But you can personalize it further using our content editor tools. To make changes, simply click anywhere in the section you want to update with the drag and drop editor. You can easily swap out images, add new sections, insert CTA buttons, and even embed a video from YouTube or Vimeo. To add new content, simply click and drag any of the elements from the sidebar into your newsletter. You can also preview your newsletter in both the desktop and mobile view to ensure it looks great on any device. Once you're finished editing, click on the Save button. This will save your newsletter to the content library so that you can reuse it, duplicate it, or make any edits to it at any time. When you're ready to send or schedule your monthly newsletter, head back to the content library and click the email icon next to your saved newsletter. This will bring your content into the email contacts page, where you can prepare it for sending. From the email contacts page, select your preferred signature, preview, and make any last-minute edits to your newsletter. When you're ready, select the contacts that you would like to send it to, and click the Send/Schedule button. You can choose to schedule the email for a later date and time, or send it immediately. With the Wise Agent monthly newsletter feature, staying consistent has never been easier. By incorporating newsletters into your marketing strategies, you'll keep your clients engaged, informed, and thinking of you month after month. If this was helpful, make sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe in order to stay up to date with the Wise Agent features. Thanks for watching.